Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you that how to use zero before any number. So I have seen in most of the scenarios, people face challenges when they enter zero before any number. So they will not be able to put it. So I will show you in the real example that suppose I wanted to add here zero. So this is the number zero. So it's okay. Suppose if I wanted to write here 001, 001. Then you can see that 00, this cell is not accepting 00, it is just typing only 1. I will type here 00003, and if I press enter, then you can see there's that in these cells 000, whatever the values we have 0 before the numbers, so it is automatically deleting or disappearing 00 from there. Suppose you have the requirement to add 0 before any number, so it doesn't matter that only 1020, whatever zero you wanted to enter before any number. Then how can you do this? So normally if you will open an Excel file and if you wanted to add zero before any number, then you will not be able to do it. For that we need to change some properties, not properties but some settings we have to do. So I will show you that how to do this. So let me, okay, just like this is the area where I have to enter zero before any number. So I'm selecting, highlighting this area, so I have just use these borders over here. So suppose this is the area where I wanted to add zero before any numbers, right? So I am typing here. Currently you can see that I'm just typing here 000002. Then I will not be able to add zero over here. Okay, let me delete it first. Then select the area wherever you wanted to these changes to happen, right? And then right click over here, go to the format cell. Then you will see this format cells options. There are so many options. Go to the number section. By default it will come on the number. Then go to the custom section, and this part you need to delete it, and you need to write here at the rate, right? At the rate, then press OK. So you can see that this whole area is selected. So if you wanted to add zero and before any number, then you would be able to add zero, right? So I'm typing here 01. So okay, yeah, I would be able to write it, right? And 0 0 0 uh, more zeros, 0 0 3 2 1 2 3 0 0. So now you can see that I would be able to add zero before any numbers, right? And normal scenario, if you will not be, if you are suppose you have not added at the rate over here over the format cell section, then you will not be able to add zero. So now you in these cells you can see that I am not able to add zero before any numbers, right? So suppose if you have this kind of requirement, then you can easily add whatever zero you wanted to add before any numbers, right? So now you can see that. Okay, so this is the first criteria we have fulfilled, like if you wanted to add the zero. So let's take another example. Right now, just like you are retrieving the data from any application like SAP or from the web browser, and you are retrieving the data, and the data is coming on this particular format. But you do not want these zeros before the numeric values like 1, 2, and 5. You do not want any zero before that, right? So if you will do it manually, right? So if I have to remove zero from here, and then I will have to type here 1, then 2, then 5, 2, 5, 8, 2. So in this manner, we have to change each and every values. So I will show you that in Excel, through Excel, how you can do it instantly, right? So suppose this is the area where you wanted to remove the zero before any numbers. So you just need to select the entire cells wherever you wanted to or do the changes. Then go to the data section. In this ribbon, you can see the data, and go to the text to column section. Then select next, next, and finish. Now you can see that all the unnecessary zero has been removed from the data, right? So if you have the requirement to add zero or remove zero, so you can easily do this by these options. I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.